Hey friends, welcome back for another video. But first, let's start this video off with a prayer. And today's prayer is, Dear God, I don't believe in kicking people while they're already down. I never want to be another reason someone's life feels more complicated than it should. Today, I lift up all those who are facing hard times. I pray that you surround them with your healing spirit, bring them peace, and restore their joy. Please help me to always move with love and compassion so that I never add to someone's pain, especially when they're already struggling. Keep my heart soft and my words kind, even when I'm working through my own personal challenges. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So I pray that prayer blesses you guys today. Today is Tuesday, and I just got home from picking Yesenia up from school. The boys have debate practice this evening, so they'll be coming home with John. I'm getting ready to cook dinner. Tonight we're having lasagna soup. Tell me why this morning was 48 degrees. It was cold. I had to sit in the car and warm it up. I had to warm my car up, y'all. It was freezing. I wasn't ready. My poor bones. So I'm normally cold on a normal day, and especially now I've been shivering. So it's definitely chilly. I think it's the sun is shining, but I think it's perfect. And I have been craving lasagna soup. So I found this recipe on Pinterest, and I am going to be making that for dinner today. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. I had a busy day today. I've been in training. If you're new here, I'm training to become a Pure Barre instructor. And yeah, that's what my days are looking like. But I'm cooking dinner, and I'm actually looking forward to it because I just love being in my kitchen. So let's get this vlog started. Always, friends, of course, I will have the recipe in my description box just in case you want to go ahead and check it out. This is supposed to be the best lasagna soup, so we will see. This one does not require ricotta cheese, but I use, whenever it's lasagna soup, I don't buy the lasagna and break it up. I just buy rigatoni pasta. It's the same thing. I just don't have to bother with the whole breaking up the pasta thing. And one time when I did that, I cut my hand, so it cut my finger. I just do rigatoni. You will need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 jar of marinara sauce, 1 whole onion, Italian seasoning, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, some garlic, beef broth, and some cheeses. I think you got this towards the end. And then 2 pounds of ground beef. So let's get started. Of course, I will show you guys my Dutch oven. This is the Drew Barrymore Dutch oven. You can find this at Walmart, but I knew you guys, when it comes to my pots and pans, you guys love to ask about those. And that's where I got it from. My husband got it for me for Christmas like 2 years ago. And I love it. She's still going strong, nice and strong. So I love using it. I hope you get to try this recipe. It was so easy to make. The only chopping you really had to do was the onions. So it's perfect for a weeknight dinner or the weekend, but I do think it's perfect for fall. Very easy to make right here. I am also filming this for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So if you follow me on any of those platforms, which I'm sure if you follow me here on YouTube, you will see it on YouTube Shorts. It will be on there as well. So that's why you guys will see this stand. I was recording on my phone at the same time, but very easy recipe to make. I will have the link to the recipe in my description box. This one is definitely a keeper. It was my first time making it, and everyone enjoyed it and actually went back for seconds. So it did not give me enough for the next day. I had to end up cooking something else, which is completely fine. That's no big deal. I just love it when everyone gets to enjoy a good meal at the same time. This fall season has gone by so fast. Honestly, I feel like I haven't had a chance to really soak it in the way I usually do. Between Pure Barre training, mom life, and everything in between, it's been a lot to balance. I'm in the last stretch now. Even though it's been challenging, I keep reminding myself that I can do hard things. Growth doesn't always feel easy, but it's always worth it. So even if this season looks a little different, I'm still grateful for where I am and for how far I've come and how far God has brought me. 2 years ago, if you have told me the position I am in now, I would have never believed you. I imagined it for myself, or for what I thought the future me would look like, or what I would want myself to look like. But as far as like career goals or anything like that, and that's something I thought was like really out of my league, something that was almost impossible for me to do. So the fact that I'm living my dream right now is such a blessing. Now, Christmas is coming. Like, normally by November 1st, I decorate for Christmas. I don't think I'll be able to get everything going by November 1st like I normally do. It might be more towards the middle of the month. I'm letting you guys know, so don't expect it right away. I actually had to end up asking for an extension for my test out video because it's actually due on Halloween. And my lead teacher normally teaches at night because she's a fourth grade teacher in the day, and she teaches classes at night. So by the time she's done at 9 o'clock at night, there's just no way possible that I could film something like that when we were both exhausted. So my goal is to have this test out video filmed by next weekend. So you guys wish me luck. I go through periods of second guessing myself, and then like I psych myself out to the point I start messing up and I forget my choreography completely. I could get it right and practice and get it correct, and then I start doing it when the music starts playing and I completely forget everything. And I have been struggling with that lately. So just keep me in prayer, and hopefully I could just get through this hurdle. At this point, we were completely exhausted. We normally, if we can have dinner together, we try to do that. So that's something that we were doing. We were just, that's how we catch up sometimes. We just have dinner and just talk about our day or whatever. We also ended up having a family meeting during this time. So by the time we were all done, everyone's got to go take their showers and do all the things. Normally at night, I'm not the one who cleans the kitchen, but because I have been so busy, I wanted to listen to my audiobook. Now, I don't just sit down and listen to my audiobook. I just cannot. I have to do something like do laundry or cleaning while listening to my audiobook. So since I wanted to listen to my audiobook, I said, you guys are free tonight. I need to listen to my book. So I'm still listening to the book. What's it called? Let me pull it up. The Prophecy is on Audible. So this is what I'm listening to here, just so that I can listen to my book, because I don't get to listen to it very often. So it takes me a little longer to finish listening to the book. And I'm like, okay, well, I get to kill two birds with one stone. I get to listen to my book, and I also get to clean the kitchen my way at the same time. So I didn't film everything I did in this kitchen, but I definitely got it done. And then I think David came downstairs and did the floors for me, and Destiny did the table. So it was still a teamwork type of thing, but the main part, I just want to be able to listen to my book and tackle the kitchen. So listening to music, listening to the book or anything like that makes time goes by so quickly.
Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away still. Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know. You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, 'cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh, now I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well,
fire from the kitchen. I always fix my water before going into my room. Ice, 1 scoop of L-glutamine, which L-glutamine helps with muscle recovery, which I definitely need. I'm, with the soreness every single day. And 1 packet of liquid IV. I always use the sugar-free ones. Those are actually my favorite flavors. They taste so good. And I definitely need electrolytes all the time, because if not, I easily will hit dehydrate. But I make sure to drink as much water as I can. Sometimes it's hard on some days because sometimes my stomach, I have high restriction days. I do have those high restriction days where I don't have no appetite, and that includes water as well, but I have to, because I can definitely tell the difference when I'm not hydrated. It's actually 2 days later. I have not gotten a chance. I was supposed to close out the video, but I'm like, I don't even think I filmed that much. I've been studying and practicing. Yesterday I went to the studio and was practicing there, but I kind of struggled a little bit. I did show part of it here on YouTube Shorts, so if you've seen that, thank you so much. Just to give you guys a glimpse of what a glimpse of what that looks like. I'm exhausted. I was up till like past 11 last night. I was writing the choreography because the way it was written in my mind, it was not clicking and it wasn't making any sense. So I rewrote it and it started to make more sense to me today. But I'm at home, just the entire day is dedicated to studying. So in between my studying, I take like a brain break. I clean, I vacuum, go back to studying, add in the laundry, switch the clothes, back to studying. And I've been doing that, and like my body is tired today too, but I'm gonna keep studying. But right now I'm taking a break. I'm like, let me get back on here because I literally dropped the camera and that was it. But this is a busy weekend for me. I'm gonna spend my weekend at the studio this weekend. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that if I get this right from start to finish, I can film my test out video this weekend and just be done with it and send that off. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, we're just gonna have to keep doing it. But that's what I'm hoping for, so that I can move on with my life. This is what my life has been like for the past month. So that's what I've been up to. But I wanted to tell you guys, my Christmas tree that's going in the kitchen is already here. It's been here for a while. It's in the garage actually. It's a beauty. Can't wait for you guys to see it. She's big. Because the little skinny one barely was hanging on last year, because I was not expecting you guys to come through. Now that tree that I put in the kitchen is the subscriber tree. You guys send ornaments for that. So if you would like to send ornaments for the Christmas tree, I will have my P.O. box here somewhere. And it's P.O. Box Simply Yesenia, 6075 Augusta, Georgia, 30916. And you can send your ornaments on through to my P.O. box, and it will be added to the Christmas tree. Many of you participated, and a lot of y'all, I loved it. That was so much fun. So that Christmas tree is just for you guys, the ornaments that you send, because that tree will be going up within the next week or two. So I'm letting you guys know now, because that tree is getting ready to go up, because I was still receiving ornaments after I was getting ready to take the tree down after Christmas. So I'm getting ready to put it up, so you guys have enough time, if you are going to send an ornament, that it could go up. Because I was still opening ornaments after Christmas, and it sucked because I'm like, I wanted to put it back on the tree, but it was time to bring everything down. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Hopefully, I'm hoping to do Vlogmas this year. We don't know. Once I get over this training and stuff, I am planning on filming more content, like a lot more. So I was not many people asked me, was I going to do Vlogtober? Ain't no way. I could really keep up now, but hopefully once this is over, I can come back up. But first, before I close out, I have a sore throat too. That's another thing, the constant talking and practicing, and you have to have a loud voice, engaging voice, excited voice, and I'm starting, like my throat's starting to hurt. So I'm gonna drink some tea too. But I haven't done this in the past few vlogs. I went to do the Fetch Leadership Board shout out. If you don't know what, the washing machine finished. If you don't know what Fetch is an app where you scan your receipts and you receive points towards gift cards. This is not sponsored. I just used Fetch for years, and I love Fetch. I just scan all the receipts. At found myself sometimes, if I see a receipt on the ground, I'll go ahead and scan it, throw it away, keep it moving. Don't judge me. I've done that before. My husband sometimes brings me receipts from work, but I finally got my TJ Maxx receipt. Now, not receipt, gift card. You gain gift cards. I hope I wasn't saying receipt the whole time. I'm sorry. If I did, I'm tired. You gain points towards gift cards, and I have one waiting for me for TJ Maxx. I told you guys I wanted one for TJ Maxx. I just ain't had no time to go. Hopefully soon. I need some pants. I need to go to Ross. I need some pants desperately. But when you guys add me on there, it adds you to my Fetch Leadership Board. I'm simply Yesenia on there. If you have not used Fetch, you can use my referral code, and I gain points towards my gift card because I want another gift card. One gift card is never enough. But it gives a leadership board. I'm number 197. So let's do the top 25 on the Fetch Leadership Board, because that's you guys on there. Number 1 is Ted Videcki. Number 2 is Dee Marie. 3 is Adrienne Clark. 4 is Benjamin Huff. 5 is Anna Underwood. 6 is J. Mako M. 7 is Pam D. 8 is Stacy Clark. 9 is Betty Goodwhite. 10 is Pamela Wright. 11 is Jeanette Walker. 12 is Kelly Marie. 13 is Cheryl Stevens. 14 is Isabel Lebowitz. 15 is Antoya Bailey. 16 is Petra Scarfo. 17 is J.R. Mo Oliver. 18 is Today's Trail Indian Head Trail. 19 is Diane Healy. 20 is Daisy Rockets. I hope I said it correctly. If I didn't, I'm so sorry. 21 is Daphne Jones. 22, Jade Enrique. 23 is Rose Waithaka. 24 is Nina Scott. And 25 is Cassandra Smith. So that's the top 25 spots on the Fetch Leadership Board shout out. So I will leave my referral code here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know when I'm going to post again next week. Let's get through this weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm excited for what's to come. The holidays are coming, and this is my favorite time of year. It's my favorite time, so I'm looking forward to the holiday content. I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.